And I do not say this lightly. Remember, the MNF and the ZPM are entry points for the BJP. The BJP is using them as a platform to enter Mizoram and then to play havoc in Mizoram. Please ensure that the BJP's game is foiled, and remember that the Congress party is the only party that fights the BJP tooth and nail, and it is the party that is most aggressively attacked by the BJP. That is the way you know who is fighting the BJP, is how aggressively the BJP fights. The BJP has taken away my membership, they've taken away my house, they've attacked me, they've put 25 cases on me. This is an indication of how aggressively we fight the BJP. Because we believe fundamentally that the BJP is a threat not just to Mizoram. The RSS is a threat to the idea of India, and we are going to defend the idea of India in every single state, including Mizoram. So I want the youngsters, when they're voting, to think about this. Do not let your vote become an entry point for the BJP. Stop the BJP, because the consequences will not be good. I love coming here. I love the people of Mizoram, and I look forward to meeting you.